Bukas ba yung dalawa? Hello, my name's Harry Tamatkan. We're back, and the issue is Philippines, USA. We have Butch Valdez with LaRouche, the chairman of LaRouche Movement, and we have former Congressman Roy Lagolas, and NSA advisor for some time in the country. So I guess where we left off is who started, who's the cause of all this that's happening with China coming in and bullying us by taking on our islands. So I'll give it to you now,
Yeah,
Congressman.
the Chinese grabbed Mississippi Reef in 1994.
Not 211 and
Not
94.
211. The Chinese started building the permanent structures in 1999. I know. I flew over
Personally,
that area. Personally, with my own two eyes, I saw a lot of Chinese workers there, welding and everything. This was 1990, not in 2011. I think anyone who loves the country would object to what the Chinese did, especially considering that in 1994, when the Department of Foreign Affairs objected, they misled us, they deceived us by saying, don't worry about this is only for temporary shelters of fishermen, maybe some of your fishermen can use this. And who was that who made that declaration in 1994 and repeated it in 1999? After the construction, they changed their views and said off limits to the Philippines.
Exclusive lang sa kanila.
The Assistant Minister of China at that time of the Foreign Affairs, Foreign Ministry, Wang Yi. And who's Wang Yi now? He's the Foreign Minister of China. Now, let's talk of alliances and see where does the Philippines stand in relation to most of the countries in the Asia-Pacific area, especially our immediate vicinity. I'll show you this troop...
Can we get a video grab of this?
Here, the troop deployment
Let's get a video
right
grab
now.
of that. Yeah,
And we can say this.
Wait,
this
can we
is,
show it again one more time, Congressman? Para ma video grab lang. Then you can talk about the, Okay, there we go.
this
All
is
right,
what
got
you
it.
might call the emerging alliance. South Korea, 28,500 U.S. troops.
Okay.
Japan, 50,000 U.S. troops. Vietnam, around 20 U.S. troops, and they're looking for to build a stronger military partnership. Guam, of course, Guam is a territory of the U.S., 5,400. Australia, 350 in Darwin, and rotational deployment of 2,500 Marines. They've agreed to this already, and they're discussing in Perth. The U.S. is seeking greater access to the Australian naval base. Singapore is hosting about 150 U.S. troops and is now the host of one of the most modern Navy ships in the world today. This is what you call the littoral combat ship, USS Freedom, that even alone can choke the Malacca Strait.
Right.
In Thailand, 120, and they're about to sign. They're going to sign a joint vision statement for stronger military ties.
No, it's not
So,
it's not that
and
America
we are part of this.
Yeah, America has over 1,000 bases all over the world.
How can we go
Ang Russia,
wrong?
iisa.
How can we go wrong with South Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Australia, Singapore, and Thailand in this
How do you
club?
rebuttal that?
Why? I mean, why? Why are those troops all needed in those areas? Has there been any aggression coming from China against the United States? Hasn't there been a request ever since before when they put up that building in the reef and the Philippines has repeatedly asked them to help us talk to China and they refused and they said that this was just a Philippine matter. And now, all of a sudden, in 2011, they're bringing their ships here and telling us that China is the enemy. No? Why do you need troops all over these places? Why?
No, but first,
Maybe we can
I'm
ask the
asking-
countries who are hosting them.
Well, they
They
will
must have a
not be
good reason.
hosting them if there has been no effort on the part of the U.S. to put them there. I mean, we're not asking them come here and defend us from all of these things. No, that's not. Let's be more circumspect about these things. There is something that is going on.
No, but the first assumption...
There is a move on the part of the superpowers to make certain...
how would you address, though, the statement that it was not only 2011 that China flexed its muscles. Way back in 92, then 94, and then 97, they already came in, took over the reefs, and started building on it. First, exclusive zone nila, natin lahat, and then non-exclusive pala. Now, all of a sudden, exclusive.
Yeah.
And the very same guy is now one
At
of the...
that time, we were not in the position to shoot them militarily, so this was brought to court, right? And that's where it is now.
No, it was not brought to court in 1994 and in
97.
1999. Only this year.
Recently, first time it's brought. 13 na.
No,
2013.
it was brought to court, but China refused to even consider the courts
No,
at
it was
the
not
time.
brought to court.
It was not brought. But you don't agree.
There was a
No.
diplomatic process.
But you don't agree
Well-
that China took over these islands,
Of course,
bullying?
of course, I know, but because they claimed it to be theirs, no? And now we're claiming it to be ours, and we're calling on the UNCLOS as a reason. But like I said, two countries don't believe in UNCLOS: the United States and China. No? China never signed.
Actually,
in this
they signed
UNCLOS.
it.
China's a signatory.
Yeah,
It's only America.
China does not believe in the UNCLOS. They
No,
don't
China
follow.
is a signatory.
Signator. Alam ko, yeah, China
I mean,
signatory.
If China is not a signatory,
America is not.
I will leave this.
No,
I
it is a
surrender to you right
signatory,
now.
but you know very well, Roy, that there are reservations, that they have conditions that they have already.
But
put
still a
there.
signatory.
Yeah, of course. No, it's easy to make sign, but all of the reservations means I am not in agreement. You see, that can be done. No? But again, I'm sure Roy knows this. No? So, wag na natin itulak itong ano. Let's just look at the Philippines. Why is it that we have to ally ourselves in this thing, which we know is going to start a major global conflict?
Will
right?
it?
Well,
Congressman,
I would like
agree
to
with that.
see that.
I mean, he is of
That's,
the position na, kasi narito na yung Amerikano, which we illegally asked because the president has never asked it as a sovereign country, walang referendum.
this is what you call appeasement.
Okay, go ahead.
Appeasement. Neville Chamberlain, before the First World War, was accused, was saying, "Oh, don't worry about Germany. Let's appease Germany. When they claim Sudetenland in Czechoslovakia, don't worry about it. Anyway, just give them what they want, and that will appease them."
Yeah.
And then finally, they attacked Poland, and that started
That's right.
the big war
But
in Europe.
if-
Now we are
He's referring to Hitler, right?
Yes.
Don't worry about Hitler because you just have to appease him. No? But that was Hitler. You know that he was moving expansionist. China is not doing any expansionist move. No? It is just looking at its territory. It is not moving and invading. Look at what the U.S. and the British are doing, right? They're moving into other countries. No?
Using bases. But China, in
Yeah,
this case...
my goodness.
But
Look at
specifically...
look at the Middle East. What has happened?
But when they have bases, it's with the agreement of the host
The country,
country. We never agreed to them occupying Mischief Reef. I don't
Yeah, how
recall.
do you address that?
I
How
don't
do you
recall
address
the
that
Philippines
question?
agreeing
What?
to
We didn't agree to them
to the
occupying
Chinese
Mischief Reef.
controlling Scarborough Shoal.
Hindi naman natin
No,
inimbita sila.
they are claiming it. See?
Kinuha na nila.
They're
hawak na
claiming
nila.
it as part of
already
their
there.
territory.
They're
That's
not-
why nga that they're claiming it as part of their territory. So they put up something there.
But isn't,
No,
that's
no.
correct or it's incorrect?
Well, it's incorrect. That's why there is a case against this. No? That's why we have a counterclaim and we're fighting. But that does not mean we go to war. No? That this is a territorial matter. That's something that, and the Chinese have proposed
Okay, agreed. Well,
that since we are in conflict, let us just jointly develop the
yeah,
place. No?
do you agree with that? First, kinuha na nila.
No, we're not talking of going to war here, but we're talking of alliances, whether there's war or not. Even with the demise of the Soviet Union, NATO continues to exist.
We are being
NATO
used-
was an anti-USSR
Alliance.
alliance, treaty organization. But with the demise of the Soviet Union, it remained.
It remained,
Because that makes the countries comfortable. In
Sad.
fact, some of those aligned with the Soviet Union eventually joined NATO.
If I'm not
But
mistaken,
here in these alliances, it doesn't mean that you're doing this to go to war. In fact, it even can prevent war because you maintain what they call the balance of power.
Balance of
You know,
power.
balance of power.
You disagree with
For
that?
I disagree with
But
that.
if we don't watch it, the 9-dash line is gonna
I
be
disagree
11.
with that.
They're already
Yeah, the
taken
balance
over.
of power
I mean,
is a
it's like-
fundamental, excuse me, is a fundamental principle in geopolitics. The moment you alter the balance of power, and one country feels that he has the power to overwhelm the other, then that starts the war. But when there is balance of power,
You disagree with that,
yeah,
Butch?
you listen to Nesselrode, you listen to Talleyrand. These are all balance of power experts,
You
believers.
see,
You
these
must
are the
maintain
people
the balance of power.
That see the world as always in conflict. I am sorry, but I am not that kind of a person that sees the world in constant conflict. I want to see, and this is the thing, that the balance of power means I build my...
You build another one, the other
and
side.
I will build the other
Yeah.
side. Then this one build, then everybody, that's why we have so many nuclear arms now, right? And where do you think these nuclear arms are going to be? At some point,
They'll blow up.
because they will blow each other up. And
How
this is
do
what's
you-
happening.
Maybe let's go straight to the argument. How would you address then the intrusion of China into our islands? They've already taken Mischief, the Scarborough, and is it Panatag?
And now they're hovering in
And they're
the
hovering in
second
new
Thomas
area.
Shoal. Yeah.
And they're already,
Ayungin Shoal.
you've seen the concrete.
Why
the
are we
concrete
talking about
pillars.
China? Why don't you talk about the U.S. warships? They're here.
They're not here to occupy.
My
There's a big
goodness.
difference.
They're not.
There's a big
They are
difference.
here
They,
occupying
you know,
the country.
no.
They're in Subic. They're are there.
very
They're
inaccurate
in
statement.
Mindanao. That's very accurate. And at one time,
Pero
I will
diba-
bring it to Subic and I'll show you there's submarines there.
Pero-
Now, if
Payag ng gobyerno yan. eh.
Oh, may
yun
welcome
na nga
sila
eh.
Pero at least payag ng
Hindi,
gobyerno.
gawin
China,
natin
hindi.
ito.
That's a big
Sabihin natin
difference,
sa China, pwede ka di maggarahe dito sa Subic.
Huwag na, mahirap ka.
Oh,
Yun
tingnan
lang,
mo.
hindi sila kinuha na nga nila Mississippi, papapasukin
na.
mo pa sila.
Papasukin mo pa.
You
Baka
see,
mamaya kunin nila
what is
Metro Manila.
happening here?
They already have
We are-
100,000
Chinese
Chinese in
illegal.
Divisoria.
Well, this is the point. No? We have to look at this in more civilized rather than pushing.
What is that
kampi ako
perspective
dito.
you're pointing
Economics, right? And China wants economic development.
But isn't that economic development lopsided? You brought that argument up in this show one time.
Yeah, they
When
want
wanted
joint development,
joint
but in our
development.
area. But no joint
Tama ba
development
yun?
in their coastal
Parang
area.
No,
Hindi
in a
naman
contested
lopsided.
in a contested area. It is being contested.
Exclusive
And let
economic
the-
zone is
let
not
the
contested.
international courts decide that. But in the meantime, no, why don't you go into a joint
But
venture?
the joint
to do
venture was
this?
lopsided. You
I
brought
beg to
that up.
disagree. They're talking of a joint development in our exclusive economic zone, and that is not contested. UNCLOS has given us the 200 nautical miles
atin
exclusive
yun.
economic zone. Hindi po yan
Yun na nga eh. That's the position. If
anyone
we're going
would
to
say
do
that's,
hard line there, no?
If anyone would
And
say
then-
that's disputed, kawawa ng Pilipinas.
Hindi.
Ba't pinamimigay
Hindi.
natin sa iba yan?
This is something for our economics. Look at what had happened. If we are to look in practical terms, no, the U.S. has nothing to give us anymore, no, in terms of economic development programs or
Benefits.
plans. Not benefit, nothing, no. It's just about to shut down and go into its spiral.
So you're saying you're better off
China,
aligning with China?
in practical terms, no, China has still a big market, no, something that we can use to be able to have increased and ever increasing trade relations and economic relations with. No, all I'm saying is, no, if you look at what is benefiting the people, no, and stop looking into this is my property, then that's that, and you're contesting it, and that means we're going to war with you because of this. Instead of that, and look at how the Filipino people are going to benefit. You will not be trying to get our people riled up against this territorial dispute. Put that in the courts, and in the meantime, look for economic development for our country. No? And our economic development right now, no, in this lies towards the region, towards Southeast Asia and towards China as well. No? Not from the U.S. We're not going to get that anymore from them. No? All we're going to get are all of these warships parking in our area, and all of them are nuclear armed. No? I don't have to repeat and repeat that question. Why are they here? No? Why are they here in these numbers? As you already said, 60% of the U.S. naval force, all of them nuclear carrying, are in our region, and a lot of them are in our country and our territory. Why? No?
The socio-economic relationship between China and the Philippines, although we do a lot more trade with China at this point, if I'm not mistaken, it's not export, it's import style. If anything, our exports was just timed with the bananas. That was a big
that's
issue.
all
We,
we
we,
produce,
we export components for
Yes,
their
but more
computers,
import tayo.
electronics.
So
Because
more
that is
nangangailangan
all
sila
we
sa atin.
produce, Harry. No?
But-
if we have economic development and we start producing goods,
But
no?
that's what I mean. But so far, it's lopsided. We import much more than we export to China. Not for anything. It's really not our market. We are their market. So the socio-economic development or benefit you're talking about is actually lopsided too. Unless you find it
is
fact
not
that
true. No?
what do they benefit
Number one
from us?
trading partner natin is China now.
I don't see
Yes,
anything.
100%
No,
true.
32% of our imports come from China.
As of now, our number one trading partner is China. Number two is the U.S. Number three is Japan.
But not for exports, if I'm not mistaken.
trading partner.
Yeah,
That
trading,
means-
but it's lopsided. It's obvious everywhere you go in Manila and the Philippines, everything is made in China.
I don't have all of the figures with me here, but this
No, I
is
think-
fact. No?
No, but based on what everyone can see, everything's really made in China. But tayo, nagpapadala sa China, doon tayo nagmamarket. If I'm not mistaken, hindi, malakas ang consumerism natin with 100
when we
million
decided not to do this, I think it was about what was it about? What the issue? I don't know. It was the territorial dispute or the Hong Kong issue. No, they said they're not going to import their bananas from the Philippines, and we shuddered. It was an impact on our economic.
It was, but it was
situation.
relocated to America. Thank God. Binili na America.
Well, that shows you how unreliable they are.
No.
As a trading
No,
partner,
that- there
because
was a-
they use that
There
in
was a
order
threat.
to
There was
arm twist.
We were
Yeah.
Partner.
threatening.
Oo.
You see, it's not one way. It's not one way.
But Butch,
You know?
the resolution of the territorial dispute, the aggressor is China. You don't believe that's fact. They came over, they said, para sa atin dalawa yan, and then exclusive, and ngayon sila na, and then it's become a garrison.
Parang
You don't
ano yan
agree
eh.
that's real.
It's not, it's like you're
But it's-
looking at something from a different prism. Something else happened, that's why these guys went in here.
In
It's because
1994?
these guys went in
No,
here.
In 1994, the
no,
Americans
iba
left in
yung
1994,
91.
nothing happened
But yun
except
ang
that
umpisa.
they moved in.
They just moved in, so-
unprovoked.
If somebody moves into your property, in your house,
Masyadong,
may pumasok na squatter, kinuha 100 square meters of your 1 hectare area, don't you think that's intrusion?
Let's say, on 1994 up to 2013, what had happened to us
We went down
economically?
bumagsak tayo. No, actually, we
Wait,
improved.
what? No, that's why nga.
We improved. I'm
Because
sorry.
of that building of China in Scarborough, wherever. What happened to us economically?
If I'm not mistaken, based on my records, top of mind, there was improvement. That was the Marcos
But
Ramos.
what I'm trying to say
There was
is,
improvement.
what I'm trying to say is that was clearly a territorial dispute that which did not have any impact on whatever our economy
Why didn't we
was,
do
right?
anything in Congress, Congressman, during that time? You brought it
we
up on
did
the
that,
floor.
yeah, I brought it out. But, you know, it's
Inargue mo
an
yan eh.
executive responsibility. What happened there was the Chinese were able to hoodwink
There you go.
our bureaucracy into believing
that
that's
is a
only,
term.
can
That is-
we
that is a
finish?
perception.
Because
Yeah,
that's-
but he did. He
Yeah,
did.
it's
He did.
historically proven.
Hindi yung
Because
hoodwink,
they
yung
made
hoodwink.
a statement that this is only temporary. But it was not temporary.
So pinayagan
they
natin.
constructed permanent. That's hoodwinking. I do not. If that's not hoodwinking, I do not know what is hoodwinking.
Naisahan tayo.
Pangloloko ron, naisahan tayo doon. Ngayon, yung sinasabi nila, nag-improve tayo, no? Para mo sinasabi na, pagpasok pala ng China
China,
doon sa
lumakas tayo.
pagkuha sa Mississippi River, nag-improve tayo. Ibigay pa natin, iba? Parang ganun ba
Hindi.
yun? Hindi,
Tingnan
masama
mo, that's
naman yun.
twisting what I said.
Oo.
What I said was because that building was put there, our economy, whether it did well or not,
so walang
I said
effect.
or not,
You're just saying
it
there
has
has
no
no
effect. That's what I was saying,
No,
Mr.
well,
Goller.
precisely.
Okay.
You know, in 1999, I also delivered a speech and I gave a study because some people were worried. Pag inaway natin ang China, baka maipit ang economy natin. And I showed them a document at that time that, you know, these things can be handled in a compartmentalized basis. And apparently China, because they know economic development for them is very important, I showed them figures of conflicts like Taiwan. What is a more intense conflict?
In Taiwan, malalayo.
China and Taiwan. But in spite of that, their trade
They trade.
flourished. In fact, Taiwanese investors are in
China.
right now
It's
investing.
the other way around.
There's supposed to be a conflict between China and
Taiwan, yeah.
the U.S. Yeah, we know
But
that.
they hold the most- They hold the treasury
trade
notes.
is flourishing now. Many branded, top branded products of the U.S. One icon is Apple,
Yes,
made
yes.
in China, and there's so many other investments happening. Of course, now there are some developments which may be good for the Philippines. Now Japan is starting to disengage from China and looking at the Philippines, among others, as a possible base for their investment. That's good because you know
Manufacturing.
they have I think they're starting to believe that China is not a very dependable trading partner because they use trade in order to arm twist the other party. They've done that in the case of rare earth elements.
I wonder what the US does.
To Japan. So now Japan is looking for other sources like in Australia, in Canada.
Yeah.
And this is good because it...
Foreign direct investment, diretso sa atin.
mga foreign direct
Potential,
investment ang
potential.
pinag-uusapan dito. Sa ating ginawa na rin yung banana natin. Kawawa yung mga businessmen in Mindanao, sa Davao. But it became a blessing in disguise
kinuha ng
because
Amerika.
we were able to diversify the destinations of our trade instead of
Which is
depending
better,
on
actually.
one unreliable partner. Which is better.
Which
yeah.
is better. Gentlemen, we're already top of the hour, and I'm not sure we can extend because at the rate we're going to go for another 30 minutes to an hour. So a 1 minuter, please. Let's start with you, Butch.
Well,
1 minute exit.
In these cases, I think our Philippine leadership, everybody, whether or not they're in office or still not in office, I think they should look at the development not only from the viewpoint of what is happening here in the Philippines. They have to look at what should be done in the region, no? In as far as economic development, so that all of our countries are not going to be in this conflict situation. No? There is much more important issues than just a sliver of islands that there's much more important. It's 99 million lives. Okay? Now, there is a ongoing proposal for a development of Kra Canal, which is in Thailand. No? The Kra Canal basically will decongest this Malacca Straits that passes through Singapore.
Shortcut
No?
to the
And
Indian
it's
Ocean.
actually a shorter route, no, into the China Sea from the Indian Ocean over to this part of the world. Now, the Malacca Straits kasi cover something like maybe double or triple the amount of commerce or of traffic that the Suez Canal and the Panama Canal combined. So it is a very important global. And if we help in this position of setting up that Kra Canal, no, there's going to be economic development, not just for Thailand,
That
but for
depends
the
on-
Southeast
but
Asian
It depends
region.
on Thailand. But Congressman, short last minute. I'm sorry, Butch. One very short ending message.
If you look at the geography, the Kra Canal, the proposed Kra Canal in Thailand, will not decongest Malacca Strait because you just have to pass through the Malacca Strait in order to reach Thailand. It is only in Burma where that is possible because with that, they will have a straight line from the mainland China. They'll have a straight line going to the Bay of Bengal. But now Myanmar is drifting towards the United States. But you know, It's true. Trade is very important, commerce is very important, and we're all doing that now. The Philippines is now being projected by Standard Chartered as one of the rising economies of the world. And they're even projecting, but in terms of rate of development, the Philippines will be overtaking China in about 10, in only rate of development, not in absolute size. But we can easily see who is the bully here. Because if you look at the emerging alliances, everybody is allying against China. There's India, there's Vietnam, I already mentioned Japan, of course the Philippines, Australia. Who is the ally of China right now? Even Russia cannot be considered an ally. They're selling 6-kilo class submarines to Vietnam. Is that an ally? Is that an action of a friend? So I think it's very healthy that we have this. And we cannot trivialize a small piece of property unless Boots will allow some stranger to grab 1 square meter from his property wherever he's staying. If that is, I think every square inch matters in our territory. And hanggang hindi umalis ng China sa Mischief Reef at sa Scarborough Shoal, I think there's no chance for this maritime Silk Road that they're talking about. Dapat umalis muna sila bago pag-usapan yan.
Gentlemen, thank you very much. As usual, we're over time, but then again, the issue is really maselan. And ganun talaga po yun. Dapat na, tingin ko naman marami tayong na-pick up dito, but you know, in the end, it's critical thought how you understand all of these issues. If you wish, email us, and this will be on YouTube as well tomorrow, and we'll put it on. And you can reach the two gentlemen here directly if you wish to ask any questions, but all you have to do is post on Facebook, and you'll find out all these issues that are coming on. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You are what you watch.